Let us now build simple moving average dead cross strategy. Here are the entry and exit conditions. For this strategy, we will use the following instruments. Before we build this strategy, we need to understand the following. What is simple moving average? According to Investopedia, a simple moving average is an arithmetic moving average, calculated by adding recent closing prices, and then dividing that by the number of time periods in the calculation average. Short-term averages respond quickly to changes in the price of the underlying, while long-term averages are slow to react. Okay. So, with that assumption, we will use two simple moving averages and use them to check the breakout. Alright, let us start. 1. Click Create from the Strategies drop-down. 2. Name your strategy. 3. Tag it with the appropriate type. And fill the description with your best understanding of the strategy as well as the parameters used in it. Before we create our entry conditions, we need to select our list of instruments, which the conditions will scan through, by clicking the three dots next to set number 1. If you are unaware what list is and how it works, please see the tutorial on it, created separately. Once the instrument list is selected, click Add an entry block. Note, Tradetron gives you the keyword to calculate SMA and crossovers. Please check our video or blog on what are keywords and how to use them. Back to Condition Builder. In the drop-down, select Position. Inside Position keyword, select Cross in Series drop-down, and -1 as position. Now click Cross. Then, select SMA in the Both Series drop-down, and click OK. The Cross keyword returns true when Series on the left crosses Series on the right, from bottom to above. Inside the newly created Cross keyword, click the SMA on the left and choose Close as the series, then 20 as period and click OK. Then click Symbol. Select your period under Candle Type. Select Number of Candles under Max History Candles. And click OK. Now click Instrument Name. Choose the exchange from the first drop-down. Scroll to the Lists section, and select your created list for this strategy. And click OK. Click the SMA on the right and choose Close as the series, and 9 as period and click OK. Do the same with symbol and instrument as before. Great! You have successfully created the first condition. Now that you have created your entry condition, you need to take your positions once this condition is satisfied. Do this by 1. Click Add next to Positions. 2. Click Buy or Sell as per your strategy on top. 3. Since you had selected your list at the start of this, the system has automatically selected it for you. 4. Put your quantity. And click Add to add this position. Finally, you need to tell the system when to exit. You can do this in the Exit block. Click Add next to Exit to open the condition builder for exit. Similar to how we built conditions for entry, follow the same procedure for exit. For the exit, we will build a take profit condition first. To do this, select LTP keyword from the drop-down. LTP stands for Last Traded Price. Give it the instrument name. And check if this value has gone above the take profit threshold using the math keywords. You have successfully created the first condition. All you need to do now is to add more conditions and connect them with the logical operator. To understand how the logical connection works, please see our video made separately on this. Please note, the conditions will be connected to each other, with a logical OR, as we want to exit the trade whenever any one of the three conditions is satisfied. Once all the conditions are done, click Submit to save your entry condition. Fantastic! All that is left to do is scroll down and click Create, and select Deploy. Select Paper Trading for execution. And you have successfully created your strategy. Now, go to your deployed page to see if the strategy is taking positions.